service manual. I'm rolling. You got this mic on you, which is good.
Yeah, we do this one. We'll do a quick one on a record player I got for Schrader.
Okay.
But here we go. Well, hi again. Now this is part 2 of the McIntosh phono preamp problem. Time we took the last shot, I didn't know what it was yet. Didn't know where the preamp board was yet, but I found out. Here's what I found out. Preamp board is this thing on the top. Does not look like a preamp. Too complicated. But it's got preamp ICs left and right. A digital switching IC to select phono 1, phono 2, or FM, etc. And this is a filter for the multiplex, some other stuff. But I figured out I had absolutely no phono input whatsoever. Everything else worked great. So I'm in here tracing around, checking voltages, and the source voltage on these two ICs was low. It should be plus and minus 15 to 18. We're running 8 and 7. And I put my finger in here and went, uh-oh, hot ICs, always a bad sign. Unless it's a digital IC, then they're always run hot. So I pulled one IC and got one of the voltages up, pulled the other one, got the other voltage up. Found out I had one channel on this blown. So I ordered all 3 ICs. You cannot get these off anything except McIntosh. I don't know where they got them, but they are very scarce. McIntosh has them, they're cheap, they plug in, solves the problem. That's the tone generator into the phono input. Haven't tried a turntable yet. Apparently I'm not the first one to find this because it's written about on the internet. Nobody claims responsibility for it, but this is not the first one of these preamp ICs to fail. I figure somebody might have overloaded it, but apparently the ICs just crap out. But they're plug-in. Anybody can change them. Just make sure you know where pin 1 is. So right here in this front left corner, put your little notch lined up, plug them in, and you're good to go. But that doesn't look like any preamp board I've ever seen. It's got too much stuff on it. Nothing in McIntosh is obvious. So, another problem solved. Maybe to save somebody else some trouble down the road.